Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have yet another Clovia haul. So if you're interested in knowing whatever I've picked up this time, then continue watching. So I have everything stuffed inside this box over here, and this time I have picked up few night suits. So let's just get started with unboxing. First set is this cute little tank top. I really love this because of its color and the print. It has watermelon prints, and for that reason itself I bought this top. That's the different story, but yeah, this is how the top looks like. It has this razor back, which is not that deep razor back. It's very comfortable to wear. This top comes with long pajama pants, and this time I wanted to try long pants, so I just bought this kind of sets. So this is how the long pant looks like. It's kind of track pant. It feels like track pant, and the material is so good, you guys. Both of this material is so good, and this is not see-through material. It's a very comfortable material. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. I really like the material and the feel of this set. So this is the track pant, and it comes with this kind of line over here, and it also has this knot, and it comes with the pockets. So it has two pockets, which set is my favorite among all of them. I really loved this particular set. It can like mix and match and wear with shorts, or you can wear with some other t-shirts as well. So yeah, this is the first set. I have picked up all the night suits one size up because I want to be super duper comfortable. So I have picked one size up, and all of my night suits over here is extremely loose for me, and that is what I love about night suits or any clothes. I really love loose fitting because I feel more comfortable in loose fitting clothes. So yes, this is the first set. Then I got 3-piece night set, which has 2 t-shirts and 1 long pajama pant. So these are the 2 t-shirts, which looks similar. The color is same, but the print is different. So this is in lemon yellow color, and this is how the cute little t-shirt looks like. It says, "I'm not lazy, just on the energy saving mode." So this is how the t-shirt looks like. It's a basic t-shirt, and this is the first t-shirt. And next one is this one. This is also lemon yellow color, and it says, "I'll be there for you." So this is the second t-shirt, and with that I have this black plain pajama pant, which is very basic, but you need such kind of basic pants in our wardrobe. So I never like tried long pants because I never use long pajama pants at home. I love wearing shorts, but this was the first time. I just wanted to try something different and wanted to see long pants. So I got this, and this is the long pant, which is like parallel pant, I would say. And this also comes with pockets, which is very handy dandy. This has only elastic. You don't have that tying thing like the other one. So this is the pant, and this is the set. So these are the 3-piece night suit set. And then last one I have is this shorts. I wanted to try at least one shorts, so I just went ahead and bought this cute little shorts, which not like proper shorts. It comes till my knees, and it's super comfortable as well. This also has elastic, and the material is good. It's not see-through. It has good material, which should be easy breezy for this summer. And it also has cute little pockets, which made me so excited after seeing the shorts. It has pockets on 2 sides as well. And yeah, this is the last thing which I got. That was all the night suits which I picked up this time. I really wanted to try something different, so I went ahead and bought this long pajama pants, and I'm really happy with my purchase because the material is so good. It fits me so well, and it's super comfortable. That is really important for me and for you guys as well. So do check out their website because you get different options for night suits, lingeries, panties, and with amazing discount, you guys. Every now and then they'll be having offers, And also if you add this coupon code which is right on the screen, you'll get additional 10% discount on the checkout, like on the final price. Yeah, I'll provide the link in the description box. Do visit the website. With that, I'll finish this video. If you're new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my future videos and you'll get updated whenever I upload videos. And I'll see you all in my next video super soon. Thank you all so much for watching.